Are you maintaining your real estate equity? One of the things that we talk about with our clients is having a strategy to maintain and actually increase the value and the equity of your home over the length of time that you own it. So we break this down into 3 different time periods: long-term planning, mid-range planning, and short-term planning. And today we're going to cover each of those 3 topics as we go through this video. When we talk about long-term planning, we're talking about a holding period of over 7 years. And there's 3 things that I want to discuss today: insurance, insulation and savings with efficiency, and then reinvestment in the house. So let's talk about insurance first. We want to make sure that your home is properly insured, that the value is covered by your insurance, as well as making sure that you don't overpay for your premium every year. So we recommend that you shop for insurance every year. A little bit of a hassle, but those savings could possibly really add up. Also, you're going to want to look at the efficiency of your house: windows, HVAC, plumbing, insulation. If you can save money, even if it costs some money up front in terms of investment, but if you can save money on utility costs over the length of time, over 7 years, those numbers really can add up and can actually help build equity in your house as you have more funds available to pay down your mortgage. Finally, when we talk about long-term planning, we're talking about reinvesting in your house. Oftentimes, we recommend investing about 1% of the value of your house back into it in terms of updates every year. That'll keep your house current and will prevent your home from becoming outdated. So 1% reinvestment into your house every year will keep you the highest possible value when you go to sell down the road, and it'll actually help you enjoy the house as well. Now let's talk about midterm planning. We're talking about a time period of 2 to 6 years. In this, we're going to focus on strategic landscaping. Let's just say that there's something that you would love to create a buffer around. It's a lot easier to see the benefits of that 6 years from now if you make that strategic planting right now: bush, shrubs, trees, whatnot. So take a look at your plan for years down the road and make those decisions of smart landscaping now. The next thing that we're going to look at is making sure that you're tracking the interest rates. Look for those opportunities to refinance, especially in today's environment where rates are a little bit higher and may dip. Make some smart decisions with refinancing, and we can point you in directions of great lenders if that's a thing that you're interested in. But look for those opportunities as you go through the next 2 to 6 years. Next, make updates to the house that you're going to enjoy and that you can afford. So we want you to enjoy the house that you're living in. So just make some strategic investments into the house for what you want to enjoy while you're living there. We also finally recommend that you get an updated market analysis just on an annual basis. Not a real in-depth appraisal or CMA, but just a market analysis so you can track the value of your home in relationship to your neighborhood and the area. Finally, let's talk about the short-term plan. This is a 1 to 2 year time period. First on the list is take care of any needed repairs. Your to-do list, it's time to knock those things out. Also, get rid of all the clutter. You know that you have that, you're going to have to deal with it at some point, so now's a great time to have yard sales, donate, just get rid of the stuff now that you know you'll have to do in the next year or 2 when you go to sell. It's a lot easier to take care of it now, a lot less stressful. Third, make strategic updates to the house. Say there's just things kind of similar to repairs. If there's things that you want to do to update the house to bring it current for the current market, now's a great time to do that and still be able to enjoy it for a little bit while you own the house. Finally, be in touch with your real estate agent, because number 1, your 2-year plan can be accelerated quickly to a 6-month plan, and so having that open line of communication with your realtor to be up to date on what's going on in the market, that's really important during this 1 to 2 year time period. My name's Paul Hayes. If you have any questions about this or any other real estate topic, please feel free to give me a call. If you enjoyed this video, please share it to somebody who needs to hear this message. And I look forward to talking to you on the next video.